Alright traders, welcome to episode 6 of the Trading Edge, and I hope you caught a kills video yesterday, put out some opportunities on the euro dollar and the euro yen. I took a day trade on the dollar yen yesterday, little day trade, and I want to share with you how I identified that day trade and also what's potentially on the radar for another trade on the dollar yen. So this video is all going to be based around the dollar yen. So those of you who don't trade this pair probably want to switch off, but those of you who do, stay tuned, and I'm going to go through the trade now. So we're looking at the dollar yen, and this pair's been consolidating for quite some time, but you can see recently we have been respecting this channel right here. We're respecting these support levels, support, and we've been respecting these resistance levels as well. And what I was looking at yesterday is down on the 60-minute time frame, you could see that just by reading price action, we had put in our initial high right here, followed by a retracement, followed by a new high, followed by a retracement, followed by a new high. So we had a new structure high here. And then after that point, we failed to put in a new structure high. What we did is we violated the previous outside return or retracement, putting in an initial low. So if you're familiar with how to read price action, you're going to see that this is obviously a violation of the support level, which says, hold on, hold your horses. This is a signal that we've lost momentum. We may see a reversal here. There's a potential rotation on this move, and that's confirmed straight after by having a retracement back up into this support level, become resistance, and then we break to the downside, putting in a new structure low. And not only do we put in a new structure low, we violated this previous level of support as well. So as we put in the new structure low, what I was looking for at that point is a pullback. You guys know my method of trend continuation trading. Just going to color this in, let's color it in green so it's a bit clearer. But I was essentially looking for a pullback up into a kill zone. So if I just remove all this stuff off here, the initial kill zone was here. Now we pulled right into that. I worked out where I needed to get my stop loss. It was about 12 pips above the high at the time. I had to enter around this level here to get a 1-to-1, and I was shooting for a retest of the low. So this was my risk reward. Then I just needed an entry technique. Now the entry technique I used was a lower low, lower close candle. If we drop down to the 15-minute time frame, you're going to see we had that lower low, lower close candle right here. And got in. So lower low, lower close candle on a day trading time frame. Got involved, managed to hit targets a few hours later, and was out of the trade. Now, what's happened since then? Well, since then, let's read price action. Not only did we retest the lows, we actually put in a break and close below the low, giving us a new structure low. And what that says to us is trend continuation. Now, if we're looking out on the higher time frame, as I showed you just now, we've violated these support levels. The next support level is down here. Okay, we've violated this channel. The next support level is down here. So as we drop down the time frames, you're going to see next support level, looking left, is right down here. So this is the zone we're potentially looking at for potential profits, particularly those of you looking for extended targets. I won't be looking for extended targets. What I'll be looking for is a trend continuation move to take off some profits at a retest of the low. And the levels I'm looking at are right here, because you can see this is that major level of support, right? And we've just broken through that level. Now, usually when we have a strong level of support like this, the break and close through that level is a big a strong trend momentum candle, and you can see that's exactly what we've got here. And what this also means is, if this has been a protected level of support, this should provide a very decent level of resistance. So looking on the trading time frame, you can see we had our lower low, lower close, outside return, lower low, lower close, outside return, and then bang, lower low, lower close. So if we just remove all of this off, the next trading opportunity for me is going to be this kill zone right here. So I'm going to be waiting for price action to push back up into this level. Previous support should become resistance. All I need is to see where my stop loss needs to go. So at the moment we're looking at a 20 pips stop. So 20 pips above the high is going to put us up at 60. We want a minimum of a 1-to-1 risk reward. So if we just color this in red, bring on our fib retracement tool just to build out that quick 50% level, which lines up perfectly with previous support should become resistance. This is then our kill zone. Our potential reward, assuming market's going to reverse right now. We obviously don't know. We never know what the market's going to do, but assuming market reverses right now, this would be what our risk reward will look like in my kill zone. So it's just a case of waiting for price action to pull up into this level and then looking for that lower low, lower close candle. Alternatively, you might look for a double top on a lower time frame, or as I always say, you may get that aggressive entry in the form of some kind of advanced pattern formation. So this is what's on the radar. If you're liking this series, give it a like, thumbs up, put a comment below as well. All the feedback is very, very important to myself and Akil and Mr. X over at Tier 1 Trading. And we really enjoy doing these videos. We're looking forward to the launch. And if you haven't signed up for the launch already, go over to tier1trading.com, put your name down. It's imminent now, very, very close. And we're really excited to show you what we've been working so hard on. So till tomorrow, guys. Akil will be up tomorrow to share his trades. Until then, take care, and I'll see you then.